I love me some Louis Vuitton, okay? I love me some Louis LV. Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos here on my channel. And if you guys enjoy those types of videos, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. So in today's video, as you can see, I'm only doing another luxury unboxing video. You guys seem to enjoy them, so might as well keep them going, you know what I'm saying? And it's by Designer Guru. So the first one I really want to show you guys first is the Louis, because y'all know I love me some Louis Vuitton, okay? I love me some Louis LV. I love me some Louis, okay? And I've been wanting this bag for the longest freaking time. And actually, I had it, but the quality of it sucked. I had gotten all ugly and rusty quick. I'm like, no. And I'm just gonna put the box down because I literally have no room over here. I need more space, like seriously, I really do. I got the little receipt and card, you know, all the little stuff that comes with Mr. Louis. This is what it looks like. So you guys know that it looks upside down on the other side, but when you flip it over, it looks normal. So it's basically wrapped around like this. This is the Speedy 30 bandolier in the Monogram canvas, and this is what the sides look like. And over time, these lines will go away too. Plus with the organizer I'm going to get, it's gonna really help shape the bag even more. So I don't even really have to worry about it slouching or anything like that. But let me show you guys more up close of how the little buttons look. It says LV on them. And that. And let me show you guys the straps though. I love how the straps look. Very sturdy. Very sturdy, because oh my gosh, the other one was too much and it got dirty quick, and I'm like, oh my gosh, seriously. I'm so excited to wear her. She's so pretty. Of it is just brown and has a pocket, and the zipper works really good, thank God. And there's nothing in here, so it looks like that. And yeah, this is really cute. I'm so excited to wear this. And on each side of the bag, it just says this right here. It's like super pretty. And it comes with 2 keys instead of 1, which I'm so happy about because I always lost the other key and I never had a backup. So yeah, this is gonna help a lot. I'm just gonna unlock it. Ooh. Ooh. Then which side do I want to put it on? I don't know which side I want to put it on. So I'm gonna have it like this. So I think I want to put it on this side. You can also put it on the sides too, but I prefer putting it where they're supposed to be at. So let's say you're on an airplane and you need to lock this up. It comes with 2 little holes on each side of the zipper, so you can just unlock the locket and just lock them together and nobody can open it because you have the keys. Yeah, that's really smart of Louis to do that. This is how the strap looks. It looks so nice. Like, oh my gosh, it matches the bag perfectly. It doesn't look weird or anything. And I love how the gold looks on here too. Now I'm gonna attach it on the sides of this bag, and I'm holding it so weird right now because the little space that I have, oh crap, it just fell. And these also twist too, so you don't even have to worry about putting it at a certain angle because it's just gonna move to where it needs to be anyway. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait till I get my organizer in here. It doesn't look great if I'm trying to like show you guys honestly by wearing it like that with nothing in it. I really need my organizer first, but this is how it looks like. Oh my gosh, she is so pretty. Actually, let me show you guys on this side. And honestly, I'm not even gonna wear the strap just because I don't really like with this bag. I don't like wearing it on my side or like a crossbody because I already carry too much, and I don't know, like it's still cute with the strap, like just to have like a little decoration on it. But for me at the moment, as of right now, I don't really like wearing the strap on it. But it's always good to have this just in case because you never know. This is the bag again. there's no feet underneath it, and I wish Louis had feet underneath there sometimes. I'm just gonna give you guys one quick little look of it again. Super pretty. Love how it says the LV on the gold metal and the LV on here. So the next luxury item that I have is a jacket, and you know winter is right around the corner, literally next month, and I only have like 2 jackets, so I'm like, no, let me just pick up a jacket. So I've been having it on a hanger so I can get most of the wrinkles out. But this is the jacket. Y'all know this brand. Y'all know this brand. It's Burberry, and I don't have nothing Burberry, so yeah, this is very exciting for me. And this is a extra large just because I love oversized things. I don't like anything too tight on me, especially nowadays. Like, I cannot, like, it's just too much. So yeah, this is a really nice jacket, and it's really comfortable, and it has so many different compartments, and I'm gonna try it on for you guys too. And this pattern is so cute. I just love this pattern, and the hood, oh my gosh, the hood is so cute too. Like, imagine being in the snow, and like this little part right here is gonna help too, and you can take off the hood if you want to too. Plus on the, okay, let me just take it off the hanger. But yeah, on the buttons it says Burberry around it. And what else? Like, oh my gosh. Okay, first of all, let me put this on so you guys can get a little glimpse of how it looks. And it has inside pockets too, like a little hidden pocket that you can just button up. Same thing on the other side. And also you can adjust this part too on the jacket just to make it a little bit tighter on the waist or hip area, but I'm just gonna leave it loose because, like I said, I mainly got it just to be comfortable. And yeah, so let me try this on. Ooh, oh my gosh. And by the way, do not mind me, I'm wearing shorts and it's hot in my room. It never fails. It literally never fails. So yeah, this is, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me lift this up more. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. And it's like the perfect extra large. It's not like too baggy on me or anything. And I also love how this area looks. Like, oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. You don't even have to worry about snow or anything coming inside because of this part. It looks like it's just this, but no, it has this part. Oh, this is so freaking cute. Look at that little hood. Well, it's not even little, but look at the big hood. And it's not even too much either. I can just really see myself wearing this with my little, oh my gosh, this is a look right here. Like, I'm so excited to wear this. And look at the pockets. Like, oh my gosh, the inside of the pockets is very, very soft. Like, this is cute. I need to take those off, but yeah, this is so freaking cute. Like, I'm seriously in love. Like, this is literally my type of coat that I would love to wear all the time during winter. That is all for this luxury haul / unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and hit me up too if you guys have any questions about all the little luxury items that I got. I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.